Hello, hi, welcome in. Great to see you all back. Today I'm going to be making some Peep nails, and I'm doing these to match a makeup look that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be posting that on TikTok. It's a group collab, so if you want to check that out, follow me on TikTok at Anatomical Art. I'm just going in right here and clearing up a little bit of imperfections. I found them on there, they didn't feel smooth, so I wanted to get rid of that and make it feel a lot better. I also totally forgot to add in layer 3, but we did 3 layers of this color. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to sugar this nail. I thought it would be really cool and fitting with the whole Peeps theme. So I'm using a top coat, and I'm going to go in with a product from Igel Beauty. Side note, that little spoon is heckin' adorable. Just look at it, oh my gosh. Okay, but they turned out super cute though. Like, look at that. Aww. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do this plaid. And I will tell you right now, I have never in my life drawn or painted plaid. So this is my first time, my first go. You're gonna witness it with me. There's a lot of stuff I probably could have done differently. I don't know what that stuff is though. So this is how I did my plaid, and you are more than welcome to use this if you want to. If you have any tips or tricks for plaid, let me know down below. Now I'm taking the pink color that I originally used on the nail and I'm going over the white to kind of break up those stripes. Like this video if you do like Peeps. Also, like this video if you don't like Peeps. And you can tell me in the comments down below which you picked. I'm going in now with some white to lighten that up. I could have mixed that off camera and did that, but this was again an on the fly kind of thing. I had no idea what I was going to do. I had no idea how to do this. I didn't research anything prior to this. I just looked at a picture of plaid. Now I'm going in with some thicker lines and kind of putting them a little bit at random on the nails just to break it up a little bit more. And here we go with the thumb. I'm taking some of the original pink color that I had on the nail, and I'm going to add some white and mix up a little bit lighter pink color. You're going to be able to see a big difference anyway because I'm going to sugar the little peep that I'm drawing on here, and I'm going to draw a bunny shaped peep. Once I got it how I wanted it, I went ahead and added in the purple. I didn't cure it though because I wanted to sugar the top of this. So the one little eye, he's a little off, not a perfect circle because he was wanting to mix in with the other paint, but it's totally okay. It doesn't really make a difference once you get the sugar stuff on it. And by sugar stuff, I absolutely mean 3D silk powder from Igel Beauty. And in this part, you will see me very meticulously cleaning around the edges of this little Peep bunny here that we have made. I'm not sure why I wanted it to be so absolutely perfect and why I took so much time on it, but here we are. I looked at it a little bit at this point and I really wanted to add some more to it. I liked it, but it just wasn't enough for me. I wanted a little bit more because in some places it got a little bit thicker than the others. So I'm going in with some top coat. I'm putting it over only the place where we had sugared the nail, and then I'm going to sugar it again. Right here, I took a smaller brush with some of the top coat on it to really get it into the ears. That way the second coat of sugaring would stick exactly where we wanted it to. Like this video if it reminded you of a Def Leppard song. Now we're just gonna go in and top coat everything, minus the nails that do have the sugar on them because we want that texture to remain and we don't want to cover it up. I'm going around the edges here with a smaller brush, that way we don't accidentally get the top coat all over the sugaring. And there we have it. Take a look at them on and outside in the beautiful natural light. They turned out super cute. I'm very happy with the plaid, and that little Peep is adorable. Don't forget to like and subscribe.